How to save Google locations on Google Maps. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google Maps. Now, select the location that you want to save. You can do this for future purpose, and if you need to go somewhere, you can save it for later. So let's say this is the one I want to save. So simply tap on it. After that, you will see a save option right here. Simply click on it, and now you will also get an option to save it in a list. So if you want to save it in a private list, you can also write places to go. You can also make it shared and share it with your friends and create it. You can simply share the link to your friends if you want a shared place in your Google Maps. So simply share it from over here and you will be done. So that's how you do it. The shared places or the shared location will appear over here. So go back and then in this U section, you will get your shared list. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.